to another live stream. If you guys were on the stream that we just did, Streamlabs just decides to fucking hate me every now and then, and I'll be like mid-sentence, and then the Streamlabs system will just be like, boom, kick you right out, and then I can't get back in. Bunch of nonsense, but we're back now. Guys, remember, hit that like button on your way in. Helps out a whole lot with the YouTube algorithms over here. Thank you guys so much to those of you who have already done that, and special thank you to those of you guys who are about to. Remember, special reminder here, February 1st, which happens to be tomorrow, is the last day to get 50% off your lifetime membership to 1348. Probably going to be the best purchase that you make in 2023 for the amount of potential yield that you could then generate for yourself after you finally learn our system, the strategy behind trading. But for those of you guys that don't want to get your 50% off, we also have that 2-week free trial for you guys. If you're not taking advantage of that at this point, after you've seen all of the amazing things our community has been able to accomplish over the last year, there's not much more I can help you with. Again, I put out so many free videos and free content all the time. Again, the strategy, the system, the tools that we provide you guys are best in class. But let's get after it today. We're not really seeing anything too crazy with the market here. You might have been able to scalp a little bit of a gain here on this last 1-minute traffic light. But other than that, it hasn't been all that crazy. But team, let's see how we're doing here. You're slacking on the like button already, bro. I can't with you guys. You guys are just doing it every single day now. Every day with you guys. But let's see. That's not true. You guys have actually been doing really, really, really well. Let's go. What's up, Pepe? DC fan for life. Thoughts on TLT getting a daily or traffic light down soon? You can play TLT. I'm not really interested in playing TLT until I see what I need to see on it, which is basically an emergency rate cut, effectively. Like if we get an emergency rate cut at some point and we start to back off, that's when TLT can go a little bit nuts. But until then, the TLT play it's just a potential play that could happen in 2023 or 2024. The name of the game is just stack cash. So you can basically have enough cash to put in the play that, again, you're sizing it for 0, but can still generate you some crazy gains. That's what I'm looking for on the TLT. Logan, what's up, team? Almost had to revoke the like. Why is that? Moonbound. Yeah, SPY's just chopping, man. We were going over this morning in this price action. This was all bullshit. So you got this nice play up. They stop hunted me around here, which is fine. I mean, it was a stop hunt in profit. I will take that all the time. Gabe mentioned 1-minute traffic light alerts for lifetime members. How do we turn them on? They're not out yet. They're coming to you guys soon. The lifetime members right now get access to live masterclasses every Sunday. And you guys had first access to daily and 4-hour traffic lights. Daily traffic lights are going to be getting released to everybody on, I believe, Monday. 4-hour still needs a little bit more time. In order to, we just need to tweak some things. Oh my God, Ape-tastic. I swear to God, if this is a penny stock, I'm banning you from the fucking channel. Okay. You're safe, but you've done it before. I'm biased towards you because you do talk about these crazy lotto ticket stocks. I mean, it started as a penny stock yesterday and now it's up crazy. But do you know how many times this happens? Maybe 1 out of every 100. Is this a smart thing to be chasing? No. It was this morning. What happened this morning? But again, if you're trading things like this, I mean, you have this 1-minute traffic light here at 7:37 and it goes boom. Is this something that I'm going to be trading all the time? No. No. Probably never. SE slipping here. Okay, you are safe from the timeout. No options for a put play. I know, dude. Again, though, even if it's up 700%, you almost don't want puts. It makes more sense most of the time just to do a normal short on it because the IV and the crit, you're going to overpay so much on the put side because everybody's going to be funneling in. I've seen what I needed to see all in. Guys, I feel like we're going to do some rants on this, man. Okay. Here's what we need to go over right now. Everybody, listen up. Tabasco Dave, if we need to clip this for Jacob, let's get it going. Okay, guys, here's the deal with penny stocks. What you have to understand is the basic concepts of what the market is. Okay? What is the market? The market decides what the value of something should be based on a wide variety of different elements. Now, you can talk all day long about manipulation, yada, 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 but that's probably going to account for maybe 10% of price action, depending on the stock. So when you have a stock that is lower than $5 or super low market cap, there's a reason It's very, very similar to when people say, I want to be trading like 0-day, wildly out of the money contracts. There's a reason why those are so cheap. It's because they come with super, super, super high risk. If you're going to continue to funnel your money into penny stocks, you are going to blow up in flames. If you are looking for those giant lotto tickets, are they tradable? Yeah, but again, that's not something that we're really, really looking for around here, because you can get the same types of returns just trading options with more time, with the strategy, with Trade 1348, with getting more time on your contracts. And you're playing blue chips. There's no reason to be messing around with dog shit, guys. Please be careful, dude. Please be careful. And bankruptcy is not a damn buy signal. Please, guys. I feel like in the afternoon streams, we just get spicy because there's so much crazy. Like, guys. Whew. All right. Everybody, keep hitting that like button on the way in. What are your feelings for Powell given previous data and current? It's been a while since you did one of those videos. I mean, one of the reasons why I stopped doing those videos is it almost doesn't matter. I mean, I can break down stuff for you guys, but I'm going to talk. I'll break down stuff in the live streams every single day. Again, we're basically fully priced in for a 25 basis point rate hike. If they go 50, the market's dying. If they don't raise, which is very, very, very unlikely, then the market's going to rip. Odds are we're going to do a 25 basis point rate hike, and the market's, I could see it going up. Where are the links for the TradingView charts in the Discord group? If you click on any one of the alerts, you can, if you look at the alerts, it says like 4-hour, daily, 5-minute. You can click on the alerts there and it brings you to the chart. You can save and download it and you are good to go as long as you have a TradingView Pro account. Yeah, Tabasco Dave, anytime that I'm going on a rant, I'll just go full screen it, or like I'm saying something important, and then we can clip it and do all that stuff. Uber 4-hour traffic light. Okay, here's the deal with the 4-hour traffic lights right now in the dailies. There are certain times of the year and certain price points that the market is in that I view as being really, really good swing opportunities. That's why I started swinging again. Right now is not one of those times, in my opinion. Here's why. You have Fed tomorrow. You have earnings season ramping up. So you have to be very, very cautious of not only the companies that you're trading, but the sympathy companies. So like Uber and Lyft, AMD, NVIDIA, Qualcomm, Intel, all of those. Tesla, Rivian, Lucid, things like that. Like all the sympathies you just have to be careful of those. So there's a lot more like nonsense that can happen in a time like this where the risk goes like basically the standard deviation of portfolio returns would widen, which means that you can have giant green days and giant red days. That's effectively what that means. Like let's just think about if you're an institution and you're trying to create not like a market neutral portfolio, but like you're trying to just craft a portfolio that's going to generate some returns. At this point in the year, with where markets actually are, your standard deviation is going to be, it could go from like 1 to 5. Like it could go crazy, which is not what you want. That just introduces more volatility in the portfolios. So SPY's fucking around here. I honestly do not like any of this price action. It falls down, it shoots back up. If it shoots up, it gets shot right back down. I don't like any of this. Maybe towards the end of the day, you could see something spicy, but other than that, probably not. All right, guys, keep hitting that like button on the way in over here. We are 41 likes away from 100. Who's going to be lucky number 100 team? And make sure that you guys are taking advantage of that 50% off lifetime code. Let's get after it. SV's best business decision ever. Bankruptcy signals buy sign. But guys, bankruptcy is not a damn buy signal. I'll keep saying it forever. Let's see. Dude, I hate that freaking OBS or whatever it was, Streamlabs kicked me off. The call-ins are like my favorite part of the day. I love doing the call-ins with you guys. I have to buy a lot of shit. I gotta buy a soundboard so we can do some call-ins over here too. I can just throw it up and be like, boom. Caravan? What's that? What's Caravan? Like Carvana? Why do people hate on day trading? Because they think it's gambling because most people fail. Carvana, dude. I hate Carvana. they're basically insolvent, aren't they? You bailed on it. I didn't mean to. I was asking you what accent that you use to pick up ladies, and then the Streamlabs was just like, boom, no more STV. You're not allowed to ask these questions. And Faust, most people, here's the thing too, most people, when they approach the market, they approach it like a complete dumbass, which is why you see a lot of people struggle so much. Because there's so many other people on the internet just leading people to the slaughter. The charts that I click on the alert or they're view only. They're not view only. You have to click on the top right. You click copy, then you click save. As long as you have a TradingView Pro account, it saves it to your account, and then you can do whatever the hell you want to it. Back to Carvana. Why? Why back to Carvana? It's terrible. You could trade it if you want to, but it's a $9 stock. I'd never touch this. On the daily, this thing got a traffic light, but at the same time, it's like, okay, it has earnings coming up here on February 23rd, which is about 3 weeks away. Why would we? Why? Like, why Carvana? What? Like, don't ask me for your confirmation bias, please. Like, ask about. Please ask about. What do you have? Like a specific question about it? Like the chart. The chart doesn't look terrible. I mean, it easily could come up off of these lows here. And if you look at this on the 4 hour, it really does not look all that bad. I mean, you had this consolidation. You had the traffic lights. Bing, bing, boom. You got a nice gain on it. If you've been in this since back here, this last 4 hour traffic light, you went from 719 to basically 1150. You killed it. Now at this point, if you haven't taken profits here, I mean, it would be a decent time to do whatever you want with your money if you're already in it. But why is it going up? It could just be a tactical bounce. Remember, like retail investors can't generally move markets. But if it's here's the other thing too. Like if it's a shit company and everybody's already sold it and retail is going to say like, "Oh, bankruptcy, buy signal." Boom, they'll buy it. And it's like, "Okay, well, what the fuck is going on here?" Be careful. Be careful. Ooh, SPY back up. Hello. That was a joke. No, I know. You're done for January. 64 wins, 8 losses. Close the month up 27.6%. Chris Brenneman, you absolute monster. Oh, wait, that's the wrong one. That's the right one. That's amazing. That's awesome, dude. Congratulations, man. I know you're struggling a little bit. That is filthy. 27.6% green. Don't give it back. Keep compounding those gains and keep slaughtering it, dude. That is awesome. Congratulations. Loretta, let me see here. What are you saying? I see. Wait, there's another message on here that I can't see. Your trial runs out today. Can you please get a sub for 1348? The Discord has double price. Loretta, so here's what we're going to do. If you are already in your free trial, you will get charged for the monthly if you're on a monthly, and then you'll still have access. If you want to transfer over to lifetime, then reach out to Diana and she will help you transfer over from monthly to lifetime using the OG lifetime code to get 50% off. How about that? Is that good? Yes, lifetime. Yeah, so there you go there. Yeah, so that's how you get lifetime. You just go into the Discord, type @Diana, and click on her name when it pops up in Discord, and then she'll come and help you out. Same thing for all the rest of you guys too. Remember, the link is pinned at the top of the live chat here. Let me throw it in here for you guys again. There you go. That's also the link to get your 2-week free trial as well. But guys, I mean, you see the power of it. A lot of these people are coming in for their free trial, see the power of it, and want to come in for life. Are you missing any SPY levels between 40387 and 4414? No. That's tight, bro. That's very tight. Dude, do you guys see this? OpenAI has released a tool to help tell when text is written by AI. That's cheating. I mean, it's not cheating. It's helping to prevent cheating, but fuck that, bro. Like, if I was in school right now, I'd be so pissed. Actually, there's a way around it. So, Tyler, I know you're in here, buddy. Here's how you get around that. Ready? So, if you want to use ChatGPT to write essays and do stuff, this is what you do. You take the essay or whatever text was written, and then you put it in a paraphraser. So, there's other free websites that you can put it in a paraphraser. And you can basically tell those websites, like how long or short you want to paraphrase it by. Like you could say, like, let's say your essay is like 5 pages. You have ChatGPT write one for 10, and then you have the other thing like paraphrase it and shorten it up. And then it's not written by AI. It's just paraphrased. See? Dude, trust me, bro. I was so efficient with school. So efficient. Yeah, Quillbot. That's what it is. It's Quillbot. Everybody be quiet, though. Why do haters say 1348 are scammers? Oh, because their brains don't work. Like they just hate on everything. It's like they failed and they just hate on it, or they're jealous. Oh, no. None of the people that are in it hate on it. It's only the people that have never come in. What makes you say bull market is back? I've never said that. I think the bull market being back is silly. Dude, the thing is, Faust, I mean, people can say whatever they want, but they've been trying to say it for years. You don't need a course for 1348? Ooh, you're right, Leonard. You're right. But here's what you won't get. If you want to just willy-nilly take every 1348 cross, do you know what's going to happen? You're just going to lose. That's okay. I mean, if you want to do that and just take the easy way out, that's cool. I mean, that's fine. A lot of people like to try and take shortcuts. Maybe it works for them. Maybe it doesn't. Either way, I want you guys winning. But here's what you get with us. Real-time predictive algorithms, which nobody else has. You also get real-time unusual options data. You get the traffic lights. You get alerts on the traffic lights coming soon on the daily 4-hour and very soon the 1 minute, which are absolutely filthy. And master classes, everything like that. So you can try to do it on your own. And a lot of people have. There was another community out there for a while that was trying to do this, but they weren't providing any other education. And all of their members just came back to us. And we're like, dude, these guys are stupid. It was like, yeah, I know. You don't have any strategy behind it. Spy broke a level. Yeah, spies were. I mean, you could look at 404.40 here. If you have enough gains today, just apply that to the 50% off lifetime today and capitalize on that by having no monthly payment. Yeah, Daniel. I mean, if you guys want lifetime, you guys know where to get it. 50% off on the platform. Let's see. Let's see. Nikki Leaks just tweeted a picture of a bull. Nikki Leaks needs to shut the fuck up. Nikki Leaks, if you want to pump my long-term portfolio, I'm here for it, bro. Like, I'm down. Like, we can do that, but cross on the 1 hour, stop. No 1 hour, 30-minute, 15-minute, 1348 crosses. I don't know why. Who told you that was a good idea, but they are leading you in the wrong direction. What the? Okay, no more Twitter. No more Twitter. Here's the interesting thing about Twitter. I like to look at Twitter for finance stuff. How does ass get on my Twitter feed? Now that we are lifetime, can we super chat you our monthly payment? You guys don't need to send me supers if you don't want to. Do I use supply and demand zones with 1348? No. Which time frame do you recommend taking the traffic light to trade for a newcomer? 5 minute. 5 minute with more time. Thoughts on whether the spy continues to run into close? I don't care, honestly. Like, this market is just so choppy. I really just want to wait and see what Powell says and then earnings season and then continue playing the 1 minute traffic lights. Like, it's okay. This is the other thing that people fail to understand here too. People focus way too much on the one trade that they are about to enter right now, or that specific like day. That's not what's important. When you think about your trading system, it's a long time frame of probabilities. So you say, okay, am I going to take solid risk reward setups right now that over time are going to yield me gains? Yes or no. It doesn't necessarily matter what happens on that specific trade as long as you're managing your risk appropriately. That's what you guys need to be focusing on a lot more than this trade right now has to work. I want 200% gains. No. That's not what this game is. It's about putting yourself in good risk reward scenarios, managing those trades appropriately, and putting yourself in the position to hit those gains when they do end up coming. Remember, method, mindset, money management. The method is sometimes going to give you really, really good trades that could run potentially, let's say 5,000%, for example, but you're never going to be able to fully capitalize on those trades or actually have a profitable portfolio if you don't have the mindset, that emotional management and risk management combined with that in order to take you to the next level. It's not going to happen. You have to think more long-term, and it also helps you with hesitation. Got it. Thanks, Tabasco. Thank you. SB is a pro. Don't try to do what he does in the 1 minute. You likely don't have the skills yet. That's kind of what I say too with people trying to trade on the 1 minute. It's going to make you more of what you already are. I'll murder the 1 minute, but the reason why I can do that is because I know exactly where my risk is. I will sling it on the 1 minute because I know where the risk is. If it doesn't work, okay, maybe I lose 5 to 10% on a size down trade. But the trade that does work and the trades in general over time that do work are going to take you way up. But it's all about risk management. We're playing a game of risk. We're not necessarily playing a game of strategy. Remember, if I were to tell you, if I said, okay, you're not going to trade with any strategy, zero, but you're going to trade with really solid risk management. You're going to say, okay, I'm going to risk this on every single trade. You could probably go 50-50 and do all right. But let's say I give you the best strategy in the world that's 99% successful, but you're full port YOLOing 0 days. Zero risk management. That 1% that doesn't work blows up your account and you have no more money. Why do people say stop losses are scams? Because you can get stop hunted. Faust, you've got a lot of weird questions today, buddy. I'll keep firing them off. I'll just keep helping you out with this. I mean, people say stop losses are scams because if you have a stop loss, like you can get hunted, but they're not scams. Like people are just dumb. Like the stop losses aren't scams. Most of these folks don't have the agility of their platform to manage the minute traffic lights. Please encourage them to stick with the 5 and the longer date options. Yeah, I always do. Being a good loser is how you become a winner. Exactly. Past trade question, SPY this morning. Did you enter on the 5 minute when it rimmed around 10? The one that I took, this big one, I took this 10-15 one. So I actually, okay. So this was a little bit of more of like an experience trade. So you see a little bit of nonsense here with the SPY. It starts to come up. It sharks down here. I actually bought contracts off the 200 on the 1 minute because you can see it just bottom. It just was not looking like it wanted to go anywhere. So I scalped it coming back up here, scaled out, and then moved the stop into profit. I ended up getting stopped out back here. So the stop was in profit, though. Oh, we are 19 likes away from 100. Who is going to be lucky number 100? I love it. All right, let's see here. SPY to traffic light the pre-market. How do you get in the SPY trade in that case in the 5 minute? You don't unless you're trading futures, which we can educate you guys on in the future, but you don't. You don't get on that one on the 5 minute. No, Ranch, Jesus, bro. Like number 82. Oh my God, you guys squeeze it up there really quick. Thank you guys. Appreciate that. Do you think 0 days is okay if you know what you're doing? Remember, it's just a sliding scale of risk. Like if I'm trading 0 days, it's way sized down. So like if I'm trading anything that expires today, it's less than 1% of my account that's going in it. Futures would be nice. No theta, no strikes, no expirations. Yeah, I know one of the Ryans in here does it. It's really good. I might start fucking around with them a little bit. Thoughts on AMD earnings? Guys, when you're going into a binary event, my thoughts are as good as yours. And this is another thing. The problem with most of these people on the internet are literally just going to come to you guys and say, this is what's going to happen. This is my expectation for this. And the only reason why they're saying that is because they want you to view them as some sort of market god. Guys, not a market god. My entire trading system with 1348 is based on probability. That's all it is. It's what is the most probable outcome. When you're going into binary events like CPI, Fed meetings, earnings, anything like that, your guess is as good as mine. You don't need to be guessing. If you, again, be reactive and not predictive in this market, leave the predictions to Invictus and Pythagoras, our predictive algorithms. They're way better at it than you are. There's no reason to try to front run the move or predict things. Be reactive to the move that is going to come, because the additional gain that you could potentially get on trying to predict one of those moves is going to be far outweighed by the risk of that move just going in the exact opposite direction. It wouldn't make any sense to do so. SVP, if you teach these guys futures, please tell them to not take delivery of oil barrels or eggs or something else. Yeah, you want to make sure you're trading non-deliverables. AMC gap at 14. You think it's going to go to 14? Why? Can you go over what we should be doing as a newbie again? I'm having trouble with the 1 minute. I said stop at 10% and profit to 5. That's not going to work. That's not going to work. That's a 1 to 0.5 risk reward. That's not going to work. You want to be setting. So here's what you want to do. You want to be setting your risk at a point on the chart, which we talk about in my risk management video. We were also going over this in the live stream last night that we gave to newbies. It has to do with hesitation, but you want to make sure that you're defining your risk on the chart. If you're setting all of your take profits to 5%, those trades can run 40, 50, 60%, but that's why we have the stop loss strategy. So when you combine all the teachings that we have, again, there's a lot. That's why it takes a little bit of time in order to do this. It allows you to fully capitalize on the winners, but limit your losers, if that makes sense. Yeah, newbies should not be playing the 1 minute either. I mean, I would. I just opened up Twitter again. It's like, okay, I would. Yeah. You think we dump so the market will probably rip into close? It's just one of those days where it's probably just gonna fuck around. You might see a knife into the end of the day as people prepare for Powell, but I don't see anything worth trading. Thank you. What stream was it from last night? I'll watch it tonight. It's in the most recent live streams one. It should be called. Let me look. That's would piss me off. We can't have you having that. It is called Night Stream. It's in the latest or daily live stream section. All right, guys, keep hitting that like button on the way in. We're like, what, 28 away to go? You guys all get access to your 2-week free trials of the platform. If you want 50% off lifetime, you got to do it by tomorrow. Tomorrow's the last day. Let's see, up 17% on the portfolio, heading home from work and going to play a little bit more. Diamond backhand, monster, dude. There you go. There you go, bro. Am I a millionaire? No. I think I could do it this year, though. At least before I'm 25, because I'm 23 right now. I could definitely do it by the time I'm 25. But 24, like by my, I mean, I might be able to do it this year. When can you quit your job and trade full time? I would say when you're profitable for like 2 years. That's what I would say. Who should you reach out to get the lifetime? Diana. So all you have to do is go into the Discord, type in like @Diana. Her name will pop up. You'll say, hey, can you help me switch over to lifetime? And then we get 3 green days in a row. No, that is not when you stop trading and trade full time. You need to be so locked and loaded. This is when you want to actually transfer over and start like trading full time if you have a job and quit your job. This is when. A lot of people try to do this too early. If you're looking to trade full time, one, you probably want to be making more than your job. Obviously, that makes a lot of sense. But what you need to do is have consistency, because if you quit your job, okay, you're probably not going to be able to get that job back. You need to have a decent amount of cash to be able to trade pretty risk-free, and not risk-free, but in order for you guys to actually be able to fully capitalize on the market moves safely. You want to know exactly what you're doing every single day, and that's going to come with experience over time. And you don't want to add the added stress to yourself of, oh shit, these trades have to work right now or I can't eat. That's not what you want to do. Let's see. Tabasco Dave, I'm making you work. Sorry. You're leaving your job of 8 years to a new location with afternoon hours so I can be available during market hours. Your ambition is requiring me to make sacrifices? True. Do the $49 OGs have the end of the month or longer? End of the month, because then it's switching over to the payment plan. You're not able to reach out to Diana's I'm not a friend. You don't have to. You can just put a message in the in Market Talk. So hold on. What's your name in the Discord? I'll help you with this. Full screen VIX. That's how we're doing things, bro. But can we stay at 49? Yeah, you can easily stay at 49 if you want to. Okay, ready? At Vin. Oh, Vihaf. Okay. VIH. You're not popping up for me in the Discord. Oh, found it. Okay, cool. There you go. So going market talk, Diana, we will be able to help you out. Awesome. Thanks. No problem. Yeah. You guys don't want lifetime. You can stay at 49. Or when we bring out the payment plan for you guys that a lot of people wanted, you can hop on that too. You get the 10 payments, then you're done paying, or you can pay now and be done forever. You're going to try to become a millionaire before I'm 20. If you do that, Tyler, I'm taking you to the playground. And we're going to have way too much fun. Just telling you right now. The bull market is back. It's just that simple. Buy calls then. See what happens. Buy calls. See what happens. If you weren't buying calls at 350 or 360 and you're trying to buy calls now, good luck with that. All right, let's see. All right, folks. 20 likes away from 150. All right, I got to grab my water. It's like over here. Give me like 2 seconds. It's like right over here. It's Taco Tuesday today too. I'm pumped. I'm pumped. Yellow light on Microsoft is nice. Dude, the yellow lights have been printing. SPY update, please. What do you want to know? What do you want to know? $100 EMA. I could look at it. I could look at it. We're always looking for new stuff. Netflix calls out till Friday. Sure thing. Nothing's a sure thing. And you're probably, Jason, if you're operating in the market that way, your money is going to get transferred over to people like us. Just saying. Netflix calls till Friday. It's a sure thing. Big gains. Rug pull. Could it work? Yes. But you know what's going to happen on the next one? Oh, Jason, this is... guys, please be careful, man. I don't know why everybody tries to do this and front run moves and try to sound smart. Just go make money. Who gives a fuck what these other people think? Nobody knows. Anything could happen. Support of resistance. You're right at resistance right now, right at 404.50. But you can break it. That's the thing. You could definitely break it. Let's see. Not cross floors. No. I know. I know what you're saying. I know what you're saying. It might cloud it a little bit. I can take a look at it. All right. SPY's just hanging around 404.50 here. Let's see. We've seen this level a few times. Whisper rug pull again. Rug pull. Also, Sue, you got to message Diana. Oh, okay, cool. There you go. You're having cutlets thinking about the old days? Nice. What are your thoughts on someone who is trading at 19 and has a job but can work wherever he wants so he doesn't have to worry about struggling but is fully dedicated to the market? Do you, bro? That's fine. If you're working, you have a stream of income coming in, you're good to go. I know they were a good place today. Didn't catch any way up on the month, though. I'm not sweating it. Yeah, that's fine, man. Yeah, a little shark here off 404.50. Microsoft cross on Invictus, no alert given. Let's see. Is this Invictus? I don't see any Microsoft here. Oh, MU. Oh, gotcha. Yeah, it's cross right here. See? Cross. Right there. MU. That was a while ago. This was right here. It crossed. Let's see. Just check the compound interest calculator. I'll be at $1 million in 2 years. I think I can quit your job then. Yeah, if you're comfortable with that, man, then go for it. It all comes down to what you guys want to do at the end of the day. It's like if you're comfortable with doing it, then go for it. But you better know what you're doing. Yeah, I would say it's never gonna hurt as long as your job isn't like actively hurting your trading. Keep your job, man. Like, here's the okay. This is the other thing that a lot of people like to talk about too. And you might view someone like me as somebody who's like, oh, like screw the 9 to 5 stuff. Blah, 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 blah. No, I don't care. Again, people can do what they want. Like a lot of people in this niche are like, fuck the 9 to 5, do all that stuff. It's like, get away from the thing. It's like, if you need to work a job and then continue to trade so that you can have 2 streams of income, that's way better than one. If your job's not actively hurting you in your trading, why stop the extra stream of income? Why? You could also use your trading account for a different purpose. You could genuinely say, okay, I'm going to use all my trading profits to literally go blow it at the strip club or literally go put it into my long-term account or donate it to charity. Anything you want. It doesn't have to be you're using trading for your bills. You can use trading for anything that you want, but it's another stream of income. It's not necessarily about the job, like actually having a job that you have to go to. It's about streams of income. That's what it's about. Let's just say your trading takes off and you're making like 4 times what you're making at your job. Okay, then that's a little bit of a different conversation because then you might be able to make even more money and it's more worth your time to be trading versus going to your job. But most people, that's not the case. Let's see. Yeah, SI BlackRock just announced a stake in it, and I believe Silvergate is like Mark Cahotis has been all over that, and he's like this big scam. So I'm not touching it. But ended the month 47%. Tyler, you fucking monster. Ended the month 47% green. So if I do this every month, which this month wasn't great with percentage win wise, I'll definitely become a millionaire before 20. Yeah, I mean. That's pretty ridiculous, dude. That's pretty ridiculous, buddy. Congratulations. Again, guys, trade1348. Again, trade1348.com. 2-week free trial. If you want to transfer over to Lifetime, you have until February 1st. There you go. Let me throw that link in here for you guys too. I believe this is it. Yeah, there's a link right there. Multiple streams of income is vital if you don't trade with a $250,000 account. I own 2 businesses and trade for retirement and growth. Exactly. Yeah, dude. You know how old Tyler is too? Tyler, are you still 16? Tyler's 16 years old. He made 47% in a month. He's in school, bro. That's awesome, dude. Turned 17 on the 8th. You didn't tell me it was your fucking birthday, you asshole. How am I supposed to wish you happy birthday if I don't know it's your birthday, Tyler? Let's do a $10 challenge. No, that's silly. That creates terrible trading habits. And be a millionaire in 17 days with getting 100% for 17 days in a row? No. Tyler, your son turned 7 today. Happy birthday to Ryan Sinclair's son. Happy birthday, buddy. That's awesome. SPY moving up a little bit here. Dude, who's excited for Powell tomorrow? We're going to be streaming it. We're going to be having some fun. Love it, man. That's awesome, dude. All right, guys, keep hitting that like button on the way in. I know you guys are slacking. I see it. I see you're slacking. Do-do-do-do. 1348, maybe 8.3% on the P&L. Ready for Powell to play the swings. Nice. Dub crosses are dope. I know, man. People have been hating on us for a year. They can go fuck themselves. Do I give a fuck? No, bro. They just look stupid. The people that are hating us on us at this point are just destined to never have success. Like, you just see it. It's all out there. It's all here. It is. Hit the like button, freeloaders. Thanks, Life Wisdom. I appreciate that, buddy. Oh, they also reported a stake in Wendy's. Oh, so their 13F must have came out and everybody's freaking the fuck out. Oh, I know why my Twitter feed is filled with ass. It's because all of these people are liking the tweets and videos of these girls at the gym that are like trying to call out dudes that like aren't looking, but they think they are. What car do you drive? I actually don't have a car right now. I ditched my Mercedes because I don't need it here. I Uber literally everywhere or I walk. I like literally the amount of times that I needed a car from living in Boston is 0. 0 times. Lots of lurkers just lurking. Join the community and hit the like. Don't be a simp. Thanks, Life Wisdom. I appreciate that, buddy. Faust, what's the vibe like over in the real world, buddy? Are they kind of going nuts? I hope they release them soon because that content's going to be awesome. How expensive is my rent in Boston? Very. Let's see. You're getting filthy rich on SPY calls, SPY 410 tomorrow, and you're buying a yacht. This is the problem. This is literally the problem with retail investors, and this is why this is legitimately why smart money calls retail dumb money, because of statements like this right here. I'm going to bring it up right here. I'm getting filthy rich on SPY calls, baby. SPY 410 tomorrow, and I'm buying a yacht. Okay, let's think about this. So you're YOLOing, and you're saying that on Powell, a Fed day where it could literally go 50-50, is you're just gambling on it and hoping to hit. Just go to the casino, dude. This is not the place for you. This is like, people like to like harp on the fact all the time. It's like, why do the institutions call us dumb money? It's like, because of this. This is why. Do you think an institutional investor is sitting there saying, oh my God, I'm going to buy calls that expire really soon and I'm going to go buy a yacht because Powell and SPY 410? No. Do you know what the institutions are going to do? Sell those contracts to you so that they make money and you lose. Could it work? Yes. Is that a repeatable process? Absolutely fucking not. Tabasco Dave is getting put to work today, bro. What time's FOMC? 2 p.m. is the report. And then 2:30 is the press conference. Still here. Sorry, Tabasco. You bailed on you? Moto, I didn't bail on you. Like, Streamlabs, you guys have seen this so many times. Streamlabs will just kick me out. Check my comment above. Let's see. So tomorrow we have the stupid mental health day at school. So there's no extra classes in a half day, but your mom will let you stay home. How can I convince her? Why do you say you contracted AIDS? That should work. The colored name tags. Oh, those are just members of the channel. Decided to join finally. James Eaglin. Congratulations, buddy. You have made the right choice. Shout out to all you new members. We've been receiving a lot of you guys recently. We're going to get you guys up to speed printing with the rest of the team, dude. It's going to be fun. It's going to be an awesome time. So you guys all get your 2-week free trial over there. Let's do it. Worst advice ever, bro. Just tell her you have AIDS. You just call me Moto. I'm sorry, winning loser. I have a lot of things going on in my brain right now. Oh, 1 like away from 150. Thank you, team. I just joined, super ready to print money. Everybody that's an existing member, what I want you guys to do is show them how 1348 welcomes everybody into the community. Give them a nice warm welcome. When you guys see them in the market talk floating around, make sure you help them. Those of you guys that have been with us for a while, I mean, you guys were in their position at 1.2. So make sure that we're helping everybody and to get towards our goal of just making a bunch of money in this market. Again, Gabe and I can do everything that we can with the live streams, the videos, and everything, but this community also feeds on itself in helping everybody not let the hazing begin. No, in helping everybody get up to that level. What's up, SB? Missed this community. Work's been kicking my ass, so I haven't had a chance to trade. Justin, whenever you get a chance to come back in, man, we will welcome you back in with open arms. Hopefully the house is cool, though. I think if I try to fake me being sick, she'll know because I've been annoying her about it. Here's a really good thing that you can say. Oh, wait, damn it. You can't say this anymore. Fuck. I was gonna say that you say you got someone pregnant and then then you get grounded and you can't go to school. Or your mom kills you and then you definitely can't go to school. Like if they can do it, I can do it, you can. With the influx of new signups, you and Gabe are gonna have to start having a weekly welcome and noob stream. Oh, we do. That's the Monday night stream. I don't know, dude. I never like came up with like fancy ways on how to avoid school. I just went. Oh, in college I did. In college I was like the guys, think about it like this. The fanciest way, it was so like an elaborate plan to never go to class. It was okay, step 1, you have to make 3 YouTube videos a day for like 6 months straight. Okay, what's next? You then have to start streaming to everybody to make sure because streaming's fun sometimes. You guys sometimes make my brain bleed, but it's okay. Um Other times, it's really fun, but that's the excuse. It was the I played the long game to never have to go to school. And the teachers, the thing was, is it wasn't even the parents. The teachers would actually give me the ability to skip, but like they wouldn't. They'd be like, kind of like, all right, bro, like I guess you cannot come. And I was like, okay, cool, I'm never coming. Let's see here. All right, guys, keep smacking that like button. Spy just keeps rejecting that 40450 here. Tell her it's senior skip day and you want to skip too. Are you a senior, Tyler? Oh, get ready for the college process. That shit was miserable. My mom and I hated each other during that time. She goes, okay, you want to hear something funny? It wasn't so much that I was difficult. I just like didn't really give a shit. I wanted to go to BU and my parents like didn't want me to go to BU. And I was like, okay, well, that's kind of where I want to go. And then I had gotten into all these other schools too. So then on the day that you had to deposit, I'm like sitting at school and I'm talking to my mom and she just goes, deposit, whatever, tell me what you decide. And I was like, okay, I'll figure it out. Now everything's cool. So cause I'm very like laid back most of the time. I'm like, I don't really give a shit. Like everything's gonna be fine. I know I'm gonna do the work and everything, but I was like, how am I supposed to know? I'm fucking like 18. Yeah. Oh, you're a junior? Oh, get ready. Oh, so you're taking like the ACT, the SATs. I told you guys about the story that I was picking up girls at the ACT, right? That was a good one. That was a funny story. And then the one, bro, that was the original wife steal. Oh shit, I forgot about that. Bro, I've always been wife stealing. I didn't even realize this. Fuck. Yeah, this girl had a boyfriend. I did not know. I forgot about that. Well, I didn't know it was a wife steal at this time. Usually now I do. Your parents want you to go to college, but I don't really care, so I'm just gonna go wherever. No. You have to go to college. You're ACT on the 11th. Yeah. Oh, dude, I used to be so like such a demon because when I found out that this girl had a boyfriend in college, I like told her to basically leave me alone because I wasn't that much of a demon yet. And then she made a new Snapchat account to then talk to me. And and then added me back. And I was like, I don't know who the fuck this is. So then started talking to me there. Then I figured it out again. I was like, all right, we're done with this. Then like I think I got blocked on Instagram for that, but I was like calling her out for like having a boyfriend and also hanging out with me, which like fair play. Like, what are you doing? Why is this a thing? All right, guys, keep hitting that like on the way in. Let's see. Dude, I forgot about that. That was hilarious. And I was like kind of upset about it too. Then I got into like really good shape. And I was like, fuck it, YOLO. Red flag. Yeah, you never know, man. You never know. Yeah, dude, I forgot about that one. That was fun. I took that girl to go see It, like the movie, after a football game. That was fun. Woo! All right, guys, we got a little while. We got like 40 minutes left. We're gonna have some. I know I'm going to college, but I just don't care what school because they're all the same shit. Sort of. It depends, Tyler. Like, here's what you should do. This is gonna be life advice from STV. You need to go. Depends. If you want to go to grad school, undergrad means fuck all. It doesn't matter. I mean, law school, it doesn't matter for like graduate business programs. They usually send you out into the workforce anyway first, so it doesn't really matter. If you just want to go out into the workforce after, I know that you're trying to do your own thing. You're still young. You can multitask. You should try to go to the best school possible. Because it's not like it is about connections, but then you have to make the most of it. Like UConn for me, like I'm not going to use any of like the alumni network, I don't think, ever. But like the people I met there, and here's the other thing too. The one of the main reasons why I was able to do this while I was in college was because to me, the school was easy. So I could do both effectively. If I went to like one of the tougher schools that I got into, I wouldn't have been able to do it, I don't think. Wreck-It Ralph, I will look at that. But you should try and go to the best school possible because why not? You might as well. Let's see. Hold on. Tyler, am I getting 1348 or college? Both. Did I dorm? Because I'm still trying to figure that out. Yeah, dude. I lived in the dorms. I lived with 2 roommates in a tiny room my first year. Then second year, I roomed with my buddy, and then he had to go to his like frat house because it was like on campus frat housing. So like they had like people were going abroad, so they had to fill the house. They were going to lose the house. So then I was able to make a mega bed my second year. Then my third year, I literally lived in a crack house. The house it was a disaster, but it was fun because we had 2 houses right next to each other. So it was like far enough away from campus. That was cool. And then I had the apartment that you guys saw my senior year, which was wildly expensive for a college apartment. Can you call it if SPY hits 405 or dips below 404? Yeah, right now it's sitting at 404.19. Fast stock news, what happened? PayPal lay off 7% of employees. Is it popping? Yeah. Yeah, that's decent. I wouldn't touch that, but not bad. Whistle to Kill Bill theme. Which one's that one? That's the Jason Bourne one that I've been doing. Don't ask him. He skipped class to trade. Yeah, I mean, for a while, I knew that I could do both, like, effectively. But towards the end, I kind of just said, fuck it to school. I don't care. Dude, even Gabe was like, dude, what, go to class or like finish. And I was like, I don't care. I was like, I don't care. We're doing that. We're doing our thing. And I didn't know I graduated until after I moved to Boston. I didn't know that I graduated. I had no idea. I didn't go to graduation. I went to Florida instead. Yeah, PayPal's ripping here. Yeah, that was like a to me it was a low risk, high reward because I was like, okay, well, might as well just stream. But I mean, who cares? That's just like background stuff. All right, guys, keep smacking that like button on the way in. You guys have been killing it, dude. I appreciate each and every one of you guys who have done that already. And special shout out to those of you guys who are about to. And shout out to all our new members, man. You guys are awesome. You guys are like fitting right into the community, man. We all have the same mission. Is FOMC meeting tomorrow? The literal thumbnail of this video says Massive Catalyst tomorrow with Powell. It's tomorrow. Sorry, I'm being an asshole today. It's tomorrow. It's tomorrow. I do. I remember all of the chat giving you a daily bollocking for skipping class. Why do you have to say bollocking? Such a great word. I should use that. Yeah, but Paul, the FOMC meeting's tomorrow. The report comes out at 2, and then the press conference is at 2 p.m. or 2:30. Sorry. Yeah, that was fun. Those are the days, dude. Those were the days. That was also when I wasn't drinking or anything. Zero drinking. So I was like, why would I go out at school? It just didn't make any sense because I'm from England. I'll take the piss out of you. Bro, I don't even like, you could start saying some like English slang and stuff, and I will understand it because my freshman year of college, all my friends were exchange students. Flockings? Jesus. Let's see. Yeah, you can. Traders Anonymous, you 100% can say that. Dude, my freshman year, I said that so much. Like, my mom, dude, I had to make sure that I didn't say it around my mom because she would bitch slap me. If I ever said that word around my mom, bro, I would get bitch slapped. She'd be like, what did you just say? She sent me a text the other day and was like, I don't like that you swear on Twitter. And I was like, sorry. My bad, mom. Do I have a hedge for Powell? I've got nothing for Powell. I'll be cash. Besides the long term. Not direct to it's just use like the F word. Yeah, it's just use like fuck. Tesla 500 LFG. Why is guys, why is my live chat just like on crack today? Spy 410, it's the golden age. Tesla 500. What the like? The only woman that can knock us out. Yeah. Fed will cut rates. Are you drunk? Yeah, you're right, Bardistas. You're true. Yeah. Or no, it's sick. I've always heard the highest one was sick. That's the one. That's the one that I remember the most. Let's see here. Dude, tomorrow's going to be wild. I'll probably schedule the Powell stream tonight. So if you guys want to go set reminders, just like come back to the channel at some point tonight. Tight reminder. We'll be live for Powell. We'll be live at like 1:30. Maybe we'll get Gabe to come on with us too. Powell speaks at 2:30 tomorrow. Yeah, maybe we could do that. We could have me and Gabe on here for Powell tomorrow if he's free. Gabe's got a lot of stuff going on all the time. Spy 500. Day before FOMC bots. Yeah. LG. Yeah. If it ever gets back to where I said that it was a disaster, I will fully admit I'm wrong. But at the same time, it's like, I wasn't. It's like you could say I'm wrong at that point, but it's like I really wasn't though. All right. Spy trying to make a hunt for 404.50 again. You're at 404.40 right now. Dude, why is everybody acting like a crackhead in my live chat, guys? Stop giving institutions ammo to call you fucking stupid. You're playing a useless game by trying to predict things, everybody. Why? Man. You'll learn. You'll learn eventually. Dude, this chat's just gonna be flooded with timeouts now because I'm not doing this. Like you guys are nuts. Stop. This is so weird. Go to some other morons live chat that's gonna feed into this with you guys and keep making you guys have bad habits. Just Diamondback in. You're stop. All right, Spy still hunting that 404.50. Back to Reddit with you, DGens? Exactly. Go back to Reddit. We got no time for that over here. Let's see. I predict the market either goes up or down when Powell speaks tomorrow. That's brilliant, Elgene. Absolutely brilliant. All right, guys. Remember, trade1348.com. You want access to all of our incredibly powerful tools, man. You get 2 weeks for free if you're not taking advantage of that 2-week free trial right now. I mean, I don't know how to help you. We literally have people coming into the 2-week free trial and then coming and grabbing lifetime. Like the power of what we're doing here is unmatched by anything that you have ever seen. And again, if you guys do want lifetime, 50% off that goes until February 1st. So make sure that you guys secure that while you still can. If you're outside of the community, that's going to be using code OG Lifetime. If you are in it already, make sure you shoot a message to Diana over there, and she'll help you transfer over from monthly to lifetime. Let's get after it, man. Let's get after it. And I'll throw the link in here for you guys again, though. It's pinned to the top of the chat. That's our platform. Market will definitely go to the right tomorrow. I agree with you there, pal. I agree with you there. Let's see here. Grab lifetime today. Time's almost up, slackers. Fish Trader, we appreciate you, buddy. Welcome. You're never going to be able to get rid of me now. Shout out to Diana. Yeah, that's awesome, man. Let's buzzer beater. Yeah. Yeah, make sure that if you guys wanted it, make sure you guys secure that before the end of the day tomorrow. Time's running out. Let's see. Let's see. PayPal reductions do occur over the coming weeks. Let's see. Dude, this is just like watching paint dry today. With this price action, it's literally just watching paint dry. If you had a free option from Gains, would you hold overnight on something like this? If it's free, you can do whatever. How do you find the master classes? So they've been emailed to everybody. If you guys need the master classes, shoot me or Diana a message, and we can then send you the links to the previous masterclass because we've done 3 of them so far. One of them I can send you, and then the other 2, I believe the other 2 Diana might have because they were on Gabe's channel. The first one was on my channel, so I have that one, and then the other 2 I might be able to find and send to you guys. Because if I liked it, which I think I did, I can just go back in and snag it for you. Is that before midnight tomorrow or midnight tonight? Midnight tomorrow. Midnight tomorrow is the deadline for Lifetime, 50% off. Diamond backhand, what have you done? 128% on his portfolio in the past month. You fucking monster. Signed up for Lifetime. Sue, congratulations. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Midnight Hawaii time? No, Eastern. Guys, don't cut it too close because you'll miss it, and then that's it. Oh, you have everything? They can send me a DM? Awesome, Diana. Thank you. Let's see. If watching paint dry is watching your long-term account grow, please sign me up for more paint drying duties. Oh, yeah. What's my long-term at today? How are we doing on the long term? Let's see. I'd love to see what it's up. I hope it's up. I mean, everything's just been kind of fucking around today, so let's see. Oh, wow. That's nice. It's up like $2,300 today. I'll take that, bro. I'll take that. That's some nice movement there on the long term, man. I didn't realize it was going to be up that much. I mean, over the last week, it's basically stayed the same, but like the fluctuations are cool to see. I only look at it on green days. Natural gas making a move. Why did I just go to the 3? Yeah, UNG is making a move here. Look at this. 1 minute traffic light. Boom. You get it right here. 909, 924. Not bad. Not bad. Dude, it'd be pretty cool if we got to 200 likes on the afternoon stream. You think you guys can do it? We do have a lot of slackers in here. How many contracts you use on trades? It's not about how many contracts, it's percentage of the account. And it's always less than 10%. Sometimes it's like 50 to 100. Sometimes it's 10. Who knows? It just depends. As a new lifetimer, is there anything we need to do? No, you should be good to go. You should have everything all set for you. But yeah, just reach out to Diana if you're an existing member. If you want it, you have until end of day tomorrow, and then we'll get after it, man. But yeah, for all you guys that don't want Lifetime right now, we still offer you that 2-week free trial. Let's see. Bum, 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 bum. Dun, dun, dun. Spy's just trapped here between 404 and 404.50. Not doing a whole lot. You got the master classes? Fuck yeah. There we go. Yeah, just reach out to Diana for the master classes. And then if you also need the link to daily traffic lights and 4-hour traffic lights, reach out to me or Diana as well. I can send you those links. For me, please reach out to me on Twitter. It's easier for me to see. You're thinking 300, 408 strangle? I'm guessing you mean 400. Because if you said 300, those contracts, you literally be overpaying for them. Because if you look at the, this is the, okay. Do you guys want to know what some people do? And they're really dumb. Ready? So some people love to buy wildly out of the money contracts as YOLOs, right? So let's just look at tomorrow's on SPY. So if you look at tomorrow's on SPY, and let's just say we're looking at puts. Okay. So you go down the list here. Where does the option chain just go to basically a penny or zero? Right here. Right here. 372, 371. Anything below that, you're overpaying. There's no bid. So what people will do is they'll be like, I want 370s. And it's like, all right, man. I mean, you can pay the same for 373s. Like, would you ever want to do this? No. I'm just explaining to you guys what some dum-dums will do. Is SPY going there? No, unless they do like 100 basis point rate hike. And then you'll literally circuit breaker down. Let's see. Not get dailies. Stop it, LG. What's the furthest out of the money you would go? I'm playing at the monies all the time, guys. Vino, you do this every day, and it makes my brain bleed. Please stop. Please stop. SPY is not going to massively squeeze. You say this every day, or you say like massive drop incoming, and then it just doesn't. Please don't. You might be right 1 out of every 10 times, but that's not enough. Here comes 404.50 again. Maybe you're right this time. Most people still don't understand the Greeks and IV influence. No, they don't. I predict that Powell will use the word tools in his speech tomorrow. He probably will. 404.55, new highs. There you go. Vino, you need to get on 1348, buddy. I said Vino, not Vito. Let's see. Apple chugging along. Dude, this Apple price action this morning is hilarious. Let's see. What's going on Twitter? Let's see. And sold right into. Let's see. Let's see. All right, let's see. You help me understand the difference between right at the money versus right out of the money. What's the benefit? I mean, they're effectively the same. When you buy more in the money contracts, your delta's higher, so you're getting closer to basically getting dollar for dollar on price movement, basically like almost 100 times leverage. You're only really going to see a massive difference when you're going further out of the money, and you see that gamma start to ramp up, and then the delta increases really quick. What's Snapchat pricing in for earnings? JJ Nickel, when do they report? Is it today? If the RSI is cooked in your direction per the genie, is that a very good thing or something to be concerned about? If you're in the trade, it could be a great time to take profits. So just really just how much you're wanting to spend for the contract, correct? Anytime you go in the money or further in the money, the contracts will move slower. They will move slightly slower because it has intrinsic value. Is it today? Okay, well, I'll price it in for you really quick. It's going to be a lot. Like, it's going to be a lot. 21%. It's pricing in 21%. Let's see here. SPY still chilling at 404.50. Yeah, isn't that nuts? Premiums are broken. The last 2 years have broken premiums. Especially with earnings. I've not found a deal on an options chain with earnings in a really long time. Tor, doing good, buddy. How about you? Came in just to like the video. Daniel, I appreciate that, buddy. Anything interesting happened in the last 2 hours? Nah. I mean, you had some PayPal nonsense, but Tesla 1-minute traffic light paid. Yep. Well, Tessie's been interesting. I won't do it in the morning, but Tessie, like midday, has been this one paid, this one sort of paid, this one paid nice, this one paid, this one quick stop out, this one paid a little bit, this one paid, this one paid, this one sort of paid, this one's kind of shitty, this one's shitty, this one really paid, but this is the morning. So Tessie's been good. I know I'm asking less. Sorry. So what you say out of the money minimizes risk more than no. Out of the money doesn't minimize risk. It increases the risk. What's MSGM? I think it's a biotech. We were talking about that earlier. It's up like 700% today. It's never gonna be for me. But Daniel, just follow what we talk about in the learning curriculum videos. We say those things for a reason. At the money, in the money contracts are where you want to be hanging out. Going good. Cooked up some new tracks today and slightly green on the port. Another great day with the best community out there. Tor, appreciate that, buddy. MSG is that great stuff on food? Is it now? Isn't that like supposed to be harmful for your body or something? Isn't it? TradingView's not working on your tablet? That's weird. TradingView's working for me. Fed on track for a quarter point hike. Nikki leaks. Oh boy. Let's see. How is that bullish though? I mean, you're getting smaller rate hikes. You read something that it's not bad for you. That was all made up BS by the 1900s. Oh, really? Let's see. All right, guys. Keep hitting that like on the way in. Out at 11:44. Jason, good job. Good job. 4 for 4 on the day, 1.8%. Been hunting for another play. Discipline wins again as I've decided to burn it the rest of the day. On to February. Moonbound. Fuck yeah, buddy. There you go. Diamondback end. What have you done? What the fuck are you? No, you did not. I hope you did not buy that. That's the dumbest thing I've ever seen in my entire life. Let's see. It cost you. You actually did it? Oh no. All right, team. My brother's texting me something funny right now, and if it's true, I'm gonna fucking die laughing. Dude, that would be fucking hilarious. I would have, if it's true, I would have dodged the biggest fucking bullet of all time. That would be so sick. You're gonna make some chicken lettuce wraps? Oh, that'd be pretty cool. Have your puts and shorts ready for the BS rally at one. Waiting to buy calls on TLT till after the Fed meeting. I mean, I'm not gonna be doing anything on TLT until it tells me. 27 straight green trades, 20% gain on SPY calls. Thanks, 1348. Jesus, bro. I have 3. Tor. Let me see here. 1 second. Bro, this would be so funny. Hold on. Let's see. There's going to be some pain if J-Pow came out screaming 50. Dude, I don't think it's out of the question, but it would be hilarious if he did. The market would shit itself. And the pivot boys would be in max pain. If this TQQ swing is up 15 to 22% by Powell, I'm going to yell 0.3% of your account, aka the percentage I'm up on a weekly call. Okay, well, do whatever you need to do, bro. I think that's a bit crazy, but do whatever you got to do. I would say in 50, 25, 25, 50. Well, see, the thing is everybody's expecting the terminal rate to be 5 to 5.25. 25 doesn't get us there, so we then need another one. A lot of people have been expecting we do this one and we stop. I don't know if that's going to be what we do. 3 for 3 today with those yellow traffic lights. Didn't get your full percentage. Ended 0.92% on the day, but the previous day you netted roughly 2. Still on track for your 1% a day to keep the boss away. Let's go, dude. I'm telling you guys right now, you're missing out severely if you are at least not coming in for the 2-week free trial. Do you know what free means? It means you don't have to pay for it. You come in, you learn the system, you see what we have to offer, and then you see if you want to stay or you want to fuck off and leave, which is fine. It's not going to be for everybody, but for most people it is. So again, guys, I threw the link in there for you guys. Again, hop in your free trials, 50% off lifetime until tomorrow. Let's get after it, dude. For $14 in leftover settle cash into $43 over 4 trading days, 4 for 4 on SPY Place. This is kind of fun. Jesus, there you go, bro. There you go, man. Bro, I might do something. Oh, no. Oh, this would I just had a dangerous idea. Oh, dude. Oh, no. I could just be an absolute demon. Oh, no. Oh, that would be so fun. Strangles? No, it does not have to do with the stock market. Oh. Dude. I just had such a good idea. Ligers? No, it's not Ligers. We've already been over the Ligers. Is 30/48 good for buying and selling options only? No, you can use shares. You can oh, move on. Dude, I could do something so crazy right now. If it oh, that would be so funny. What's this? I don't know, maybe. Let's see. Dropped another 12K on Airbnb puts enough shares to short it. Bought enough shares to short it. Wait. What? That's interesting. Oh, dude. This would be so hilarious. Oh my god, this would be so funny. Oh my god. Okay. If I go to do it, I'll tell you guys what I do. Oh my god, this would be so fucking funny. All right. Never mind. All right, back to work. Everybody keep hitting the like button on the way in. Co-founder, I've been selling shares since October without stopping. I'm sure they did today too. It would make sense that they are. I mean, they're in the real estate industry. I mean, yeah. We'll see. We will see. I should get that YOLO. Your YOLO is fucking really stupid. That's a terrible thing to be doing, Diamondback. I mean, do what you want to do, but I think it's dumb. Trust me, bro. I don't trust anybody. I trust 0 people. That's not true. I do trust some people. If I don't know you well enough, I don't trust you. It's $4. I'd rather go get some McChickens, bro. Like, dude, they have like a buy one, get one free Uber Eats thing right now for McDonald's. You know how many McChickens I could get for $4? Like 4, I think. Ew, no. Let's see. Converting shares plus awarding shares and then selling them to balance sheet financial statements for their massive debt to go. See, I like Robert. Robert's fucking smart. Robert looks at a lot of this stuff. Let's see. All right, guys, it is now 3 p.m. So that's going to be wrapping up the live stream for today. Again, remember, those of you guys that want 50% off Lifetime, reach out to Diana or just go out there, use the code OG Lifetime, and you'll be good to go. If you guys want to get your 2-week free trials at the monthly tier, you guys still have that now. And when you do end up paying, it's at a price that's like $30 a month cheaper than it was 2 months ago. Now, that's not going to stay the same forever. So make sure you guys are secure in that before the prices end up going up, because the stuff that we're offering you guys have seen it every single day, everywhere. It's fucking nasty. So I will see you guys tomorrow for Powell Day. It's going to be fun. It's Taco Tuesday today. Nobody go eat too many tacos so that they can't do anything tomorrow for Powell. Other than that, team, welcome to all the new Trade 1348 gang members. We love each and every one of you guys equally. Peace.